evening, ma. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we have seen in the last session? What we have seen in the last session? $25. 33.
Ma'am, yesterday you discussed question paper, ma'am, which one? Module paper.
After that, we have seen single source shortest path algorithm, which is nothing but disk cross algorithm, right? We have seen the problem, but we did not see the algorithm. Today, we'll discuss that algorithm. Am I clear, ma? So, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Say yes or no. Okay. Single source shortest path algorithm we'll see now. So for single source shortest path algorithm, what we need? For example, here I'm writing algorithm single source shortest path. SSP I have written. I need vertices as the corresponding cost, corresponding distance, and a number of vertices. Okay, I'm considering this as my input. First, what I'm doing, observe carefully. For I is equals to 1 to n do 1 to n do s of I is equals to false. S of I is equals to false, and distance of I is equals to cost of b comma I. Cost of b comma I. What does this statement means? We'll see that. Using whiteboard, we'll see that. See what I have written. For example, I'm taking one simple graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Assume this is the given graph. Assume this is the given graph. Assume this is the given graph, ma. I'm giving you the costs also. 3, 4. Assume this is the given graph and the corresponding cost. First of what I'm doing, initially I'm starting with starting vertex to the n minus 1 vertex. If you are starting with 0, it is n minus 1. If you are starting with 1, it is n. From 0 to n minus 1, all the vertices till now I did not visit anything. When you have given me a problem means I did not visit any vertex till now. So I'm making the S of I is equals to false. False means till now I did not visit any vertex. Next, I'm making the distance. Distance is nothing but what I'm making this distance. I'm considering it like this distance I'm considering like 4, and this distance is 3. From 1 onwards I'm writing, and this distance we don't know, we cannot able to, with this distance we don't know, this distance we don't know, this distance we don't know. See, from 1 we don't know, we know only only these two distances. Thus that distances I am noting down. That's what I have written up to this point in my algorithm. Is it clear up to this point? Is anybody having doubt up to this point? Please let me know. At least you type in the chat box. Is it clear up from up to this point? 31, respond ma. Okay then. Next, what I'm doing, observe carefully. For num is equals to 2 to n minus 1 do for remaining all the vertices. First vertex now I'm making it as known, and from second vertex onwards I'm doing this. After this, what will we do in the problem part? Then we'll come to the algorithm, write that step. First, what I'm doing, I'm taking all the vertices. So first vertex is known vertex I'm taking. So second vertex onwards I'm considering 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 I'm taking. Next, first vertex I'm making as my known vertex. From 1 to 2 the distance is 3. From 1 to 3 the distance is 4. From 1 to remaining all we don't have direct edges. Now what is the next step we are following? We are picking the least cost in this row. We are selecting the vertex whose cost is minimum. Next, we are making that as my next vertex to visit. That we have to represent in the algorithm part. How can we represent? Observe here. For num is equals to 2 to n minus 1, do what we are choosing? Choose. What we are choosing? Choose one vertex. That vertex I'm assuming as u among all the vertices, among all the vertices which are not visited, and distance of u is minimum. That's what we have selected. Is it not? Distance of u is minimum. Then we are making that vertex as known vertex. Known vertex means s of u I'm making it as true. S of 2 I'm making it as true. Is anybody having doubt up to this point? Is anybody having doubt up to this point in the algorithm? Next, what we are doing, we'll see now. Next, what we are doing, via 3. Via 3 means any other vertex which are adjacent to 3. Okay, via 3, is there any possibility? This is obviously 3. 1, 2, 3. It is directly 4 only. Next, 1, 2, 4 via 3. Yes, it is possible. 5. 5 is the less cost when compared with the infinity. This step is nothing but what is the formula we are applying? Distance of W. W is, I'm assuming this as my W vertex. This as my W. So distance of W greater than distance of U. What is U? Distance of U means earlier vertex, which is 3. From 3, distance of U plus cost of U comma W. Cost of U comma W. What is distance of W? Initially distance of W is infinity. Infinity greater than what is the distance of U? Distance of U is nothing but this third distance, that is 1, 2, 3, which is 4, right? So distance is 4. Sorry ma, here it is 2. corresponding, this is the cost, but we are writing the vertex, no. So this is vertex number 2 we are considering. So via 2 to 4 is not possible, 2 to 5 is possible, that will compare. So distance of W, that is phi's distance is initially infinity, distance of u means 1 to 2, what you have selected, that is 3, right? So this is not the thing. 3 plus cost of u comma W, cost of u comma W is u is nothing but this vertex 2 and W is nothing but 5. Cost of u comma W is equals to 12. So which one is greater? Infinity is greater. If the condition is to replace distance of W with this formula, so it will be 12. That we will write in the algorithm part. How we are writing that? Observe carefully. What I'm writing, observe carefully, ma. For each vertex, for each adjacent vertex of, or else for each W adjacent vertex of U and S of U is false, S of U is false, then only we have to compare. How we will compare? If cost of W greater than cost of U, sorry, not cost, we will use the word distance. Distance of W greater than distance of U plus cost of U comma W. Then what we have to do? We'll replace the distance as distance of W is equals to distance of U plus cost of U comma W. This is what we have to update. This is the only thing we have to do in this algorithm. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? We'll solve the problem too. We'll solve the problem also. See, next 12. Via vertex 2, is there any possibility to reach 6? No. Is there any possibility to reach 7? No. So I'm making it as infinities only. Next, among this, which one is minimum? Vertex number 3 is minimum, whose cost is 4. So next I'm making vertex 3 as my next vertex. From 1 to 2 it is 3 only, from 1 to 3 it is 4 only. Now I'm making third vertex as visible, vertex as known, means I can able to reach 4 via the vertex 3. So 4 plus 1, which is 5. Next, 1 to 5, is there any other possibility? Via the vertex number 3, no possibility, so it is 12 only. Is there any possibility to reach 6? No. Is there any possibility to reach 7? No. So next I am updating next vertex to visit, as the minimum cost in this row is 4. So next I am updating another vertex as known vertex, that is vertex number 4. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Via the vertex, is there any chance to reduce? 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, which is 13. So 12 is the minimum one. 1 to 6, is there any possibility via 4? Yes, it is possible. 4, 1 plus 2, which is 5 plus 2, 7. Next, 1 to 7, is there any possibility? No, not possible. Among this, which one will you make as known? 6. Vertex number 6, we will make it as known vertex. So next I am visiting that particular vertex 6. So next 1 to 2 is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and 1 to 5 via the vertex is nothing is possible, so it is simply 12 and 7. Yes, now the 6 is known. For up to 6 is, it is 7, right? 7 plus 3 is 10. Here I am updating. Next, which one will you visit? Next I am visiting the next vertex, that is 7. So 7. This is 3, 4, 5, 12, 7, 10. Next we will visit the vertex. We will visit the vertex 12 and the corresponding vertex name is 5. We are updating that vertex 5. So this is the single source shortest path. First we will visit starting vertex as 1, next 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5. This is the way we solve the single source shortest path. Is it clear all of you? Did you understand the algorithm? I'll show you the algorithm. Did you understand the algorithm? Say yes or no. Rishita? Okay, 31. Remaining, roll number 25. Roll number 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
No, ma'am.
You did not understand.
No, ma'am.
Then what you are doing simply sitting in the class? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
What about remaining 33? You keep your mic on. Roll number 25.
Okay, ma'am.
Roll number 33. Okay. Observe here before going to the algorithm. Did you understand the problem? 25.
Ma'am.
Did you understand the problem?
Ma'am.
Problem అర్థమైందా?
కాలేదు మ్యామ్.
We'll take one more example and explain. Assume this is your graph. Okay. What is our question? What is our question? What topic we are discussing? 25. Which topic we are discussing? Nitin. Nitin, are you there? See, we are discussing single source shortest path. Single source shortest path means always the source is same. From that source, you have to find out the shortest distance for remaining all vertices. So you have to find the shortest distance from one to remaining all the vertices. Did you understand the question? Are you there? Roll number 25. Nitin.
Ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Some network issue came. That's why I can't hear it.
Okay. Which topic we are discussing?
Shortest path.
Single source, shortest path. So single source. Here the source is the only one. From that source, you have to find the remaining all vertices shortest distance. Here I am assuming my source as 1, which means you have to find the shortest distance from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1. Are you getting what I'm teaching? The problem is source is common one. 1 to remaining all. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6.
1 to 6.
Okay, that is my
Yes.
question. So how can we solve this? Using discross algorithm or single source shortest path algorithm. Observe carefully. Single source. So don't consider the source. Remaining all vertices you consider. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
So from source, how many vertices you can directly move? 1 to 2 you can directly move, 1 to 3 you can directly move, 1 to 4 you can directly move. But you cannot able to reach 1 to 5 as well as 1 to 6 because there is no directed. So to reach to 5 or to reach to 6, you need somebody help. You need some other vertex help. So how can we take the help to reach the particular vertex? How can we give the distances? Observe carefully. So first my source I am considering it like 1. My source is I am considering it like 1. 1 is the source vertex. From 1 to 2, what is the distance?
50.
50. So I'm updating that. 1 to 3, what is the distance?
45.
45. 1 to 4, what is the distance?
10.
10. 1 to 5.
1 to 5. 70.
Directed. So we don't know initially, right? So making it as infinity. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no direct edge to reach 5. So I'm making it as infinity. Why? Because till now I have known the vertex is only 1. Known vertex is only 1. So from
Yes,
1
ma'am.
to 5 I cannot able to reach. 1 to 6 also I cannot reach. Am I clear up to this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, now in this you select any one vertex as the known vertex. How can you select means which one will give you the minimum value that we have to select as a known vertex. So which one is the minimum one here?
4.
4. So I'm making this as my known vertex. Next 4 I'm making as my known vertex. Now 1 to 2.
4 to 2 or 1?
1 to 2, not 4 to 2. Source is always same. 1 to 2. Is there any change in 1 to 2?
No, ma'am.
No. So simply make it as 1 to 3.
No change.
No change. 1 to 4. No change.
No change.
Next. 1 to 5. Is there any possibility to reach 1 to 5? Now the known vertex. Now I know the vertex 4 also. With the help of 4, is any possibility to reach 5 via 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the distance now?
25.
Yes. Why you not giving 15?
Ma'am, 1 to 4, it's 10 we have.
Yes, very good. 4 to 5, it is 15. So source is always 1 only. We are taking the help of 4. Okay, but source is always 1. From 1 only we are moving this. So this is 25. Very good. Next. Next 1 to 6. Is there any possibility with the help of 4?
So we have to take one more 5 also.
Yes. Till now 5 we don't know, right? So we
Yes.
make it as infinity. So to reach 4 directly 1 to 4. To reach Till now we have seen this only. Next, which one will you consider as the minimum one?
Fifth.
Fifth, because don't consider the visited one. When S of I is false, then only you have to consider. When the vertex is not visited, then only you have to consider. So fifth vertex next we are considering. For our understanding only, I'm putting this rounds.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this 25 is 5. So how can you reach to 5? 1, 4, 5.
5.
This is for fourth vertex. Source is always 1, right? This is for fifth vertex. 1, 4. Next to 1 to 2, it is directly 50.
50.
Next
45.
45.
10. 25.
See, ma, here, okay, 45, 10, 25, there is no change. Can we reach 6,
28.
20,
8.
8? See, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 3, which is 28. Next, which vertex will you make it as known? Vertex
28. Ma'am.
28. Vertex number is
6.
6. So, how can you reach to 6? 1,
1. 4. 5 and 6.
5, and then 6. Right? Next, 1 to 2.
50.
It is 50 only. Next, 1 to 3.
45.
45. 1 to 4. It is
10.
25
25.
and 20.
28.
Next, which vertex will you consider as the minimum vertex?
Third.
Third vertex. So, next is vertex number 3. So, vertex number 3, how can you visit simply 1 to 3? There is a direct edge. 45 only we have considered.
Yes.
No change in the remaining parts. Next, which vertex will you consider? All are visited
Seven.
except 2, right? So, we
Yes.
consider next 2. There is no change in the part. So, 2 also we have considered the direct edge. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the problem of shortest single source shortest path. Okay, now I'll explain the algorithm also. Observe carefully. If you understand the problem, keep this problem in your mind, then you'll understand the algorithm. Okay.
Okay.
What I told in the algorithm is initially for I is equals to 1 to n2. 1 to n2 means all the vertices. S of I is equal to false. What does it mean? What does it mean? S of I is equals to false means initially all vertices are not visited. Am I clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, distance of I is equals to cost of V comma I. Why I have taken the cost? In the first step, what I have done? If there is any possibility of direct edges, note down those costs. Remaining, you keep it as infinity. That is what I have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is nothing but distance of I is equals to cost of V comma I. Am I clear this step?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, I am making my first vertex as known vertex. So for second vertex only, I'm starting. That's what I have written in the diagram. Once again, I'll show you. See, here I did not write 1. I have started with 2. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
I have started with 2. Same I have written in the algorithm. I'm starting with second vertex. Why? Because I'm making the first vertex as known vertex. That's why I'm starting with 2. Next, in the
Yes.
first row, what you have done, tell me.
Ma'am.
First row, in the first row, after filling the first row, how can you consider
The minimum distance.
minimum distance? That's what I have written. Choose U among all the vertices which are not visited and distance of U is minimum. That's what I have written, right? Not visited. Visit just the Malli visit cheyam. The vertex
Yes.
is not visited as well as the distance also minimum. That vertex I'm choosing as my U. I have given the name as U. Next, I'm making that vertex as known, right? That's why
Yes.
I'm making it as 2. After that, what you have done? With the help of that known vertex, is there any other possibility? So, with the help of means which are adjacent to that, and which are not visited till now, and I'm comparing the distances. Infinity greater than some 10. Okay, this condition is true means which one is the minimum? This part is the minimum. 10 is the minimum. With the help we are getting the lower caste compared with the minimum, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have updated. Is there any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Simple, ma. If you understand the problem, you can easily you can easily write the algorithm. Whatever I have done in my problem, that's what I have written in the algorithm.
No, ma'am. Fully covered.
Is there any necessity to mug up the algorithm? Nothing is required. If you understand the problem, whatever you understood, that you write it in the algorithm. Clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, ma. What about remaining? Did you understand? Roll number 33, 34. Are you there? Rishita? Roll number 8. Akila. So with this topic, we have completed module number 2. Okay. Once I'll show you the syllabus. If I miss any topic, remind me. Seema, is it visible? Is it visible, my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Okay. The greedy general method we have seen. Knapsack problem. Yes. Have we seen?
Ma'am.
Have we
Yes, ma'am.
job sequencing with deadlines?
Yes, ma'am.
Optimal storage on tapes?
Ma'am.
Optimal storage on tapes.
Yes, ma'am.
Minimum cost spanning trees. Here we have seen prims as well as crystals. Next, single source shortest path.
Completed, ma'am. Just now.
Did I miss any topic? So my part is completed. You have to start reading the module. I have already forwarded you the material. Do you have it? In your WhatsApp group, I have forwarded module 1, module 2, module 3 notes as a single document. Go through
Okay.
that. Go through that. If you have any doubt at any point of time, you just ping a message. I'll explain.
Ma'am, is the mid exams in Google Form or any new thing?
Yes, ma. It is on Moodle.
Ma'am, we didn't have any login credentials or any information about that.
See, you have to logged into Moodle. From this semester onwards, everything is through Moodle only.
Means we didn't have any password or anything else for that. What is the user ID? What we have to use? Any login credits we didn't get.
Okay. Your AMC will inform actually. Who's your AMC?
Serenya, ma'am.
Now she is not teaching to you, right?
Ma'am, Ravi.
Ravi sir, right? Roll number 2, Ravi sir.
Okay.
Okay.
But sir is telling like ask your friends.
Okay. Actually, ma, did you get any mail regarding this?
No, ma'am. We did not got any mail and we did not got any message from any faculty, ma'am, regarding this.
Actually, I asked CS12 students. They told me that they have already logged in. Okay, ma, your credentials, sir, your login IDs, your roll number. I think password you may get to your Gmail. That is your Geeta mail. Okay, you are telling that you did not get anything. I'll ask I'll ask in the department and inform you in your WhatsApp. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
From now onwards, your unit test 2 will be on your Moodle. Anyway, the thing is, first exam you feel that it is something new, but there is no difference in between the Google Forms and in Moodle platform. Both are question is like image, and you're having 4 options to answer. Okay. I think you may have mock test before the unit test exam. Definitely, you may have the mock test. I'll inform that. I'll get the. I'll get
Yes, ma'am. The sir told about mock test. Today before 8 we have to complete it, but we didn't have any long tests.
that. I'll ask and inform you.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, I told to CS12 same thing. They told me that they have already logged in.
Ach, we don't have, ma'am. That today only sir told about the model.
Okay, ma, I'll ask and inform you. No issues.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
31. Tell me, ma.
ma'am, in that optimal storage on tapes, it's not there, ma'am, in that PDF.
Optimal storage room.
Tapes,
In the PDF.
in that PDF, it's not there. Ma'am.
Okay, then you go through the textbook. What's wrong in there?
We don't have the textbook, ma'am.
I have forwarded. Do you aware of that?
No, ma'am.
Seema, I have along with that material, I have forwarded you the textbook also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Anyway, today I'll forward the running notes also. In the running notes, you go through it. There I have explained you algorithm as well as the program. I have forwarded the textbook as well as the material. Everything I have given to you. It's your task to complete. Tell me roll number 2. What do you want to ask?
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing.
Is it clear? Any other doubts regarding this? Any other material you want? Feel free to ask. If you want any other material, I'll provide. See, at least yes or no. Roll number 2, is it fine? Material.
Yeah, ma'am. It's fine, ma'am.
Other than you, any other CRs? What are the roll numbers of remaining CRs?
8, ma'am. 8 and 24.
8 and 24. Who is roll number 8? I think she did not even connect it to the audio. Who is 24? Okay. Those who are having doubts, they can stay, and remaining people can leave the session.